Okay, hi folks, this is Nigel at Spiritual Renaissance New Zealand, and yeah, let me just check the volumes right up there. Yeah, okay. Now, it is the 31st of January, 10 o'clock, well actually 5 past 10, and today, for those who were in the lower to central North Island, there was a lot of, over the last few days, there's been a lot of weird cloud, a lot of EMF going on in the skies, and even in this picture here, you can see there's this big piece of cloud coming right through here. Now this was at, what is that, 1 o'clock. Okay. Right, 2 o'clock, just, here we go, 2 o'clock, there was an earthquake just up around this area here, Castle Point, which you can see here, right there. That was at 1:50 p.m. actually, on Friday. See, 2.4 at 20k deep. Okay, so this thing's been causing earthquakes. Now, only a week ago we had the Coupe oil field, gas field over here. We had two big quakes, 5.4, right over here. Now, this is in line with that same point, by the way, virtually in line, somewhere around here. See, the Castle Point one will be somewhere around here, and the Coupe one is somewhere about here. In fact, I'll have to have a look at the coordinates for Castle Point, and we can actually work out whether it's exactly on that line or what. I'll actually have a look at this. Where they have it. Oh, here, technical. Let's have a look at this. It gives the coordinates. Here we go, 150. No, that's not it. Where are we? Oh, here we go. 40. 40.8176. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it must be real close anyway. So there's something we can check out. But let's have a look more than this, because I actually think that there's a good chance that there could be some more earthquakes, and a big one in this area, over the next day or two. And if you look at this cloud, hell, there's nothing normal about what's been going on, and not just in the North Island, there's also some weird stuff going on all over here. Okay, but let's have a look at this. Now this was interesting as well, is we see this patch showing up here. See, and that patch is still in there too. It's still coming across here. Now, let's go back. That's at 8 o'clock by the look of it, yep. Now, 7 o'clock, same patch there, and same patch here. Okay. 6 o'clock, that patch is still there, and this is bigger, right across there. So, I would say that's sort of, cross-referencing that. Let's look here. Okay, 5 o'clock, still there. Now, here's another interesting thing you can see. You can see this beam coming right through here, right? So this beam that was down here is shifted up now, and here it is here, right? You can see the line of it here and here. That's the edges of that beam, right? Now we go back 4, and there's the beam there, right? 4. It's at 4 p.m. 3 p.m. and there is the beam there. See, so that beam has moved from where it was, from 2 o'clock. Where do we go? See, there's 1 o'clock there. Let's have a look at this. Okay, so there's the beam there, and it's pretty intense at that point in time. And then it has moved up. Wow. You know, right through to where it is there. Now we can't see what that beam is doing overnight, which is rather frustrating. We can't see that, but during the day we can see it showing up in the cloud like that. So I would not be surprised at all at a quake somewhere in this region, and it could be another one in the sort of down on the west coast down here, or it could be on the east coast right up here. Now this afternoon, and we're in Central Hawke's Bay, around about here, there was a triangular, I saw a hole punch clouds like circle, triangle, square, going throughout the afternoon. They pulse these at different times. And in fact, that what looks like one there, a circle kind of thing. Okay. In any case, so there was a lot of weird cloud going on, and then we had a very, very intense sunset. Very intense orange. There's been a few photos on the net showing that. I didn't take any myself. Haven't taken any photos today. So, in any case, this is the area. This whole lower half of the North Island. Let's say I'm putting it on earthquake watch right now because with all of this EMF being done in this area, we've also had very strong winds as a result of that EMF. And I would say there is a good possibility of a quake in the next few days, and that could be very soon too. Okay, stay safe anyway. This is Nigel at Spiritual Renaissance, checking out. Once I find the checkout button. Shit. Always get this wrong. Okay, let's try this then. Oh, Jesus. Oh, yeah, okay. No, it's not going to do it. Oh, God. Okay, we'll have to go back to the thing.